Getting started with VCV Rack. VCV Rack is a free virtual modular synthesizer for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It simulates Eurorack hardware and includes powerful digital-only modules. 1. Launch and Template Patch. When you open VCV Rack for the first time, you'll see a basic patch with some default modules. 2. Setup Audio. The VCV audio module connects Rack to your speakers or interface. Click its screen to choose your audio driver, device, and sample rate. 3. Play Notes. The VCV MIDI to CV module turns MIDI or your computer keyboard into pitch and gate signals. Use QWERTY and ZXCVB rows to play notes.